Number 53, if negative 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 4, and negative 1 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 5, what is the maximum value of the absolute value of x minus y? So for this kind of question, I would probably test the boundaries. I would probably test like negative 2 and negative 1, and then negative 2 and 5, and then 4 and negative 1, and then 4 and 5, and see what you get. So if we do negative 2, so for the first one, I'll say we'll do negative 2 and 5. We'll test that. Excuse me, negative 2 and negative 1. We'll test that. So we'll test the first two numbers. So minus a negative 1. That's going to give me negative 2 plus 1, which is negative 1. And the absolute value of that is 1. Now let's test negative 2 and 5. So the first one we tested was this. Now we're testing these two. And then afterwards, we'll test this, and then we'll test this and see which one of these yields the biggest answer. So let's do negative 2 and 5. So now we have negative 2 minus 5, which is negative 7, and the absolute value of that is 7. Okay. Now let's do 4 and negative 1. So if we do 4 minus a negative 1, that's going to be equal to 5. And then we're going to go ahead and do 4 and 5. So 4 minus 5 is equal to negative 1, which is equal to 1. So this is going to be our biggest answer, and we get that using negative 2 and 5. So the answer for this one is going to be B.